If passed, Senate Bill 2865 will move nearly 200 employees from the University of Hawaii at Manoa's Institute for Astronomy to UH Hilo. But the move won't be that easy. This means uprooting families, or maybe even finding another job.
To me personally, I have a family here in Honolulu. I think this bill is completely misguided. It doesn't take into account the reality of anything on the ground. I understand the impetus to get more people and jobs in Hilo, but it's simply impossible to ask 100 or 150 people to uproot with their families and move over from one island to the other all in one big go. So no business would do that, no school would do that, so I don't understand what the thinking is. When I wrote my testimony to the legislature, I said, well, why don't you just pick up the state capital and move it to Hilo? It's the same thing. No one's going to do that. So I don't think it's a viable option.
The bill aims to increase employment opportunities and other scholastic endeavors related to the astronomy field for the residents of Hawaii Island.
I have a wife who works here. I have 2 kids who go to school here. And I think many of us are in the same situation who have families and homes. We're not going. So essentially they will devastate the astronomy program by doing this. And instead of getting new jobs in Hilo, they're just going to destroy one of the top astronomy programs in the country. Even though it's new, it's 20 majors per year roughly, that would just disappear just like that, and we just started it. So I don't think any of this and its consequences have been thought through.
According to the bill, it also hopes to accelerate economic growth of the island's county, which has been falling behind other islands in the state.
It came without any consultation. I actually had met Senators Kahele and Dela Cruz at the Institute for Astronomy a few months before. We discussed how we can improve, how we can grow on Hawaii Island organically. Our hope was that when a 30-meter telescope comes, if it comes, we would grow and help that observatory by building out our facilities there. And we have had students going to Hilo, but nobody ever discussed this idea, and everyone here thinks it's completely untenable.
Most of the university's astronomy facilities and equipment are located on the Big Island, but most of the institute's employees remain on the Manoa campus here on Oahu. The whole act will take effect on July 1st, 2020, if passed. I'm Agatha Danglapin, reporting from Kaleo.